ਅੰਮ੍ਰਿਤਸਰ ਦੇ ਡੀਏਵੀ ਸਕੂਲ ਨੇ 10ਵੀਂ ਅਤੇ 12ਵੀਂ ਕਲਾਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਟੌਪ ਰਿਜ਼ਲਟ ਲਿਆ ਕੇ ਮਾਰੀਆਂ ਮੱਲਾਂ। ਖੁਸ਼ੀ ਵਿੱਚ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੇ ਪਾਏ ਭੰਗੜੇ ਤੇ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਸਕੂਲ ਦੇ ਪ੍ਰਿੰਸੀਪਲ ਡਾਕਟਰ ਪਲਵੀ ਸੇਠੀ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਸਨਮਾਨ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਗਿਆ ਹੈ। ਆਓ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਦੱਸਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਕਿਹੜੇ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੇ ਕਿੰਨੇ ਪ੍ਰਤੀਸ਼ਤ ਨੰਬਰ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਸਕੂਲ ਦਾ ਅਤੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਮਾਂ-ਬਾਪ ਦਾ ਨਾਮ ਰੋਸ਼ਨ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੈ।
मैम, पहले तो आपको बधाई है कि आपके स्कूल का रिजल्ट बहुत ही अच्छा है। उसके बारे में आप बच्चों के पेरेंट्स को क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
Thank you so much, and I would like to congratulate all my dear students, their parents, the teachers for such wonderful results. And definitely it's the dedication, the commitment of the students. They continue to work hard, and definitely the teachers of our school who are very experienced, here with us for almost 25 years, 30 years. The kind of knowledge they have, the kind of short question banks that they have, the experience really talks about the success of the students. For reason obvious, there are many students who are into their competitive preparations and all, but towards the end, after their JEE mains and all, they come back to school when they have to prepare for the board exams and all that, and that's when the teachers get that one and a half months time to genuinely prepare them to the best. And of course, the results itself speaks of the hard work the children have done and the kind of experience the teachers have, and through that they could actually guide the students to prepare. In fact, in painting we had 30 students with 100 plus, and with 100, and most of them were non-medical students also, and they said we did not have much time to prepare. It was towards the end, the questions that ma'am gave us, and we could prepare with that, and they got 100 marks. So our experienced teacher definitely come as a great source of inspiration and support to the students towards the end. And I want to thank the parents who've always trusted in us, who have had their faith in us, and it is because of their trust and faith that we continue with our endeavors to do better every new year. Thank you.
आपका नाम?
शासक अरोड़ा।
शासक जी, किस क्लास में आपने टॉप किया?
I scored 98.4% in class 12 non-medical.
और इतने अच्छे नंबर आने पे आप इसका सेहरा किसको देते हैं?
I would like to give the credit to my parents and our school teachers. They have been constantly guiding and supporting me all through the year. I've been a part of this school for the past 15 years and it's been a great experience.
इसके आगे आपके क्या प्लान है? आप क्या करना चाहेंगे?
I would like to do computer science engineering in government colleges like IITs and NITs.
जैसे आपने टॉप किया है, आप अपने जो साथी हैं स्कूल के स्टूडेंट हैं, उनको क्या बोलना चाहेंगे?
Just keep working hard and it will all be rewarded.
क्या नाम बेटा?
I'm Rudrani Mohindru. I'm truly honored to have topped CBSE Class 12 board exams in medical stream at my school, DAV Public.
कितने % मार्क्स आए?
I've scored 97.4%.
इसका आप किसको कहेंगे कि आपके इतने अच्छे नंबर आए हैं? इसका सेहरा किसको देते हैं?
The credit surely goes to my school, my teachers. The continuous support and encouragement I received from my school these past 2 years has made a major difference in my academic performance.
और इसके आगे आपके क्या प्लान है? आपने आगे बढ़कर क्या करना है?
I've recently appeared for NEET exam and we are just hoping for the best. The results are yet to be declared. So we are just hoping that we score good marks in that paper.
Good. क्या नाम बेटा?
I am Anika Agarwal. I scored 99.2% in class 10th and 3rd in district and 1st in DAV Public School.
आप इतने अच्छे नंबर से पास हुए हैं, इसका आप क्रेडिट किसको देते हैं?
I believe this is all God's grace, but of course it's the support from my parents, our principal madam, supervisors, and of course my wonderful teachers who supported me all through this year and made this an indelible year for me.
स्कूल टीचर्स का इसमें क्या सहयोग रहा आपको?
School teachers, they were just amazing, wonderful. They provided assignments, all the guidance and care that I needed all throughout the year.
मैम, आपके स्कूल का जो रिज़ल्ट है बहुत अच्छा है, उसके बारे में आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे? कौन कौन से बच्चे टॉपर हुए हैं?
Thank you so much. So I would like to give the credit to my students for all their hard work, and would like to congratulate their parents also and the teachers. And undoubtedly our children have done exemplary well. We had a very big number of students who scored 95 and above, and so is 90 and above. And I feel that it is because of all the efforts that they put in. They are resilient, they are consistent with their preparations and all that. And other than that, our teachers who've been here almost for 25 years, 30 years, the vast experience that they have, it is because of that, that the children are able to get that sure shot questions that they have to prepare for. Because many children these days are busy with their competitive preparations, and it's towards the end that they keep coming to school, but they are focusing more on their preparations for the competitive JEE, NEET, CUET, CLAT. But towards the end, they get serious with the board exam, and that's when the teachers give them those 100% sure shot question banks, assignments and all, which they rigorously prepare, and that results in a wonderful outcome for their board results. Not only that, I've seen like we had some students who had taken up non-medical, medical, and they had left painting aside as one of the optional subjects. But the questions that the teachers gave them, towards the end, they prepared them well and they got 100 marks. So we had 30 students with 100 plus, likewise in other subjects also. So I would like to thank all the parents who trust in us, who have that kind of faith that yes, their children are in safe hands and definitely will guide them for better future. And at the same time, my very committed, dedicated teachers who put in their heart and soul for the wonderful results. And I'm happy that the parents always believe that the child, if has done very well in 10th, will continue in 11th and 12th with us and will get the results. And sure enough, we make sure that that child gets the best results in the boards as well.
बाकी जो स्कूल के बच्चे हैं उनके पेरेंट्स को आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
बाकी स्कूल के पेरेंट्स को भी मैं कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट करना चाहूँगी, क्योंकि वो जहाँ भी बच्चे पढ़ रहे हैं, डेफिनेटली हर स्कूल में हर टीचर अपनी तरफ से बेस्ट करता है, हर प्रिंसिपल मेक श्योर्स दैट द चिल्ड्रन गेट द राइट गाइडेंस एंड ऑल, एंड डेफिनेटली ऑल schools are doing very well. So I can only commit for my school that yes, we put in the best, and so are the other schools doing. So I congratulate all the principals of different schools with wonderful results that they've had, and the children and the parents as well.
अपने स्कूल में जो बच्चे पढ़ते हैं उनके पेरेंट्स को आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे जो नीचे वाली क्लासें हैं?
उनको मैं यही कहूँगी कि हमारा जो DAV का करिकुलम है, DAV CMC, DAV CAE जो करिकुलम बनाता है, वो इस हिसाब से बनाता है that the children fetch very good marks not only in the primary classes, but they are prepared for the real life situations. Because see, now we are moving from that pen paper blackboard based education to NEP, which is totally on competency. Competency means your knowledge, your skill and your attitude. So our curriculum from the very beginning is framed in such a way. We have a lot of activity based teaching which is aligned with NEP, which has come in now. NEP तो 2020 में implement हुआ है, लेकिन हम already हमारा CAE में हमारी regular trainings teachers की होती रहती है. Every year they go to be trained as master trainers. Then we have regular in schools. All the schools of DAV in the zone get together और हमारी trainings होती हैं. And there they prepare a lot of question banks. They have a lot of activities planned जो हम बच्चों के साथ करते हैं. So the children are in their real life also prepared now, because वो हम practical knowledge उनको impart करते हैं. Critical thinking, problem solving, ideating, innovation. These are all a part of our curriculum right from very primary classes. So for that reason, I feel that we have been very much focused, and the legacy has been kept till date, and we'll continue with the same. Thank you so much.
PN7 हर खबर सच के साथ